Okay, let's get into these underarms. We are using Sexy Smooth Wax Golden Allure. Thank you so much, Sexy Smooth Wax, for sending me this to try out. I absolutely loved using this. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. It looks really pretty in the pot when it's melting too. It is a vegan formula. It is cruelty-free, so we're absolutely loving that. And bang, look at that pool. So satisfying every time. We're doing 2 separate strips here because of the direction of the hair growth. We don't want to break any hairs. So we're doing a little strip in the other direction. My client here hadn't been waxed in a while, and she actually told me that this did not really feel like the way she's used to feeling when she gets waxed. So we're absolutely loving that review. Oh, look at that. So satisfying. I ended up doing a tiny little touch-up strip and then tweezing a few little hairs, doing a little serum, and we're done.